Good morning, traders. Sorry, I'm a little bit late. The dogs had to go out and they did not hurry. They took the most time they possibly could. So, SPY hitting all new highs after the Fed's announcing tapering. It doesn't make much sense, but okay. See what we got going on here. That's like crap. Let me go through my list here. Oh, car coming back up to 300. Bird with a little pullback. BTPI looks done. OLB back up. Nice. Hal's probably feeling pretty good about that. Let's see car hold up. I don't know. Let's see. Let's go through see what else we got today. That looks like garbage. That was a big rip. A little higher price. Pets with that weird breakout yesterday and after hours selling off pretty hard. I don't like anything. I don't see not one thing that I want to trade. This higher starts moving up, but it just doesn't have any volume. I really don't want to trade car because it's going to take up a lot of capital. Well, B doesn't look terrible. Well, it looks like I haven't missed anything. So, I mean, there's a couple of runs at market open, but I'll keep an eye on HCDI. It's got a little float, but it's got to break the 200, which is at 315. Oh, yeah. Let me turn that off real quick. There we go. Oh, no, that's not it. There we go. I was just trying to highlight that side of the screen, guys. Come on. It's not the H&H Trade Report. Thanks, Dom. Appreciate it. Shiba Inu Amazon rumors. Hey, we'll see. I don't like the big drop she was had. What we got in here? Anything going on? Nothing in here either. What are people trading right now? I don't see anything. I don't see one thing. Am I missing a play somewhere or something? Guys, let me know if I'm missing a play because this is wild. Oh, wait a minute. Let's see. Stop. Jesus Christ. The SPY just had a little pullback. This is sad. There's the downtrend that Pets has to break. I'm going to put Pets on the watch list. I don't know why. I'm just putting it on there. I mean, saving maybe is a possible play, but just nothing yet. Like I said last night on the last rib, I may be hiding in a cave today. I may not be taking any trades. Let's see, where is all this resistance at? 28.90. Trying to hold up $25 support. That's actually a pretty strong sign. It's got 143 million in float. I don't know if that's going to rip or not. It ripped yesterday, but let's see. Well, B just needs to break 8. Trying to hold support at 725. HYER. Little triangle there forming on HYER. What's car doing? Car still testing 300. Bird's still creeping up. There's just all these. Well, I don't know how much these indicators are going to matter since this is a new IPO. I'm not trading it. I don't want to trade HCSDI. So break a 740, that could start going. Fat double B. Could be an interesting play, possibly. A little bit lower float. BFGF. There goes car testing 300 again. See if HYRE is getting any. Still nothing quite yet. See, the 200 day is at 310 area on HCDI, so more than likely it's going to get rejected there. OL Beach trying to. This might be a possible bounce play here. Just not a lot of volume. Where's all the volume at? So PETZS has the most volume right now. I mean, Sava can rip pretty hard, so this may be one that's where I'm going to put Sava on the watch list. They got PR. No manipulation in that drug. That's kind of good news. I do like. Let me look at this on the 15 here. Ooh, yeah, I like this on the 15 minute. When's this 15-minute candle close? Got 8 minutes. So that could possibly be the start of a trend line. I'll keep an eye on it. Still not doing exactly what I want yet, but it is looking good on the 15-minute chart. The hell did I just go to? Oh. Car still testing 300. CDI having that pullback. Still nothing yet on HYRE. It's got the pattern, just nothing else. Rejection there at 90. Big spread on this. at the moment. 60-cent spread. Starting to get a little weak there. It's going to have to run hard though for me to make any money with that much capital I got to invest. But it can run hard. I mean, it was up to 100. But it's got to hold this trend line. If it cracks this trend line, be over with. We got 5 minutes. Oh, there we go. That's a better place to draw the trend line at. God, the spread on this is sick. I'll take a shot here. I'm going 5 shares on this. Where am I in at? 87.11. Let's see if it can push up. Alright, pushing up to 88. Need to break 90 if we're going to continue to run. Very nice. Pop over 88. Slowly try. Well, no, going right back down. 2 more minutes on that on this 15-minute candle. It's got to close above the 86. I really want to see it push up to this this $90 area by the end of the close. There we go. Poke your head up above 89. Show us a little bit of action here. Just a little bit. Poke your head above there real quick first candle closes. If you're looking at getting in this play, make sure you limit order in or you mark it very carefully, because the spread on this changes so quick, and it can go from a 10-cent spread to a $1 spread in a second. Alright. This looks like we're going to close good on this 15-minute candle here. Closing above the double flat top here on these 2 bodies of this candle, these candles here. So that's a bullish engulfing. We should continue to push up now. I said, though, today's a wonky day. Expect wonkiness. The SPY's just going sideways. Oh, yeah, we're starting to look good here. Yeah. Oh, I thought we were about to break back over 89. It's getting hung up at 89 again. So going to be a lot of selling pressure between 89 and 90. I suspect we may just pop straight through both of those in a second. Yeah, right there. look at that. I caught that within a second. Look at that. Right up to 90. Yeah, there we go. Very nice. Up to 91 just about. Now we're moving a little bit. Now we're starting to look good. Starting to look real good. This thing's starting to move a couple dollars at a time. Let's see if it can break up to 100. It's still kind of fumbling with 90, but... Good morning, Lori. Yeah, I know the SPY is going nuts. Good morning, Lightning Rick. I like that. FFers. Framework Fortuners. Volume coming ready to rock, Sava. Yeah, you can see the volume increasing. I like what I'm seeing so far. I don't know. Just this Fed's tapering has got me. It's got me on edge. So the Fed's announcing tapering and the market continuing to rip upwards has got me a little on edge. So I'm just being very cautious. We're making a nice little slow climb. We're starting to hold up 90 as support. Well, there we go. Just broke through 91. Once 90 can hold as support, I'd say we'll shoot up to like 95. And then probably get hung up around 95. Nice, Sicilian. Another $40 profit for you. Nice job, buddy. You're killing it. Don't worry about the couldas and shouldas. You did what you were supposed to. Pull that money out of the ATM. Good morning, Donnell. I don't know if I said that already or not. But either way, good morning twice to you, Donnell, if I did or I didn't. So we got a lot of selling at 91 for some reason. Not exactly sure why 91 is acting as strong resistance. No, I think it's... Well, let's see. 90 should be the strong resistance, and we should be trying to hold that as support. It has been trying to hold, but giving up a little bit. Oh, there it goes back above it. But I just saw 91 had a big seller there. Need to see more bids stack at 90. We're barely getting any bids. There we go. Now they're starting to stack. Having a little pullback here, so rejection at 90. $88 trying to hold us support. Anything else moving? Pets slowly starting to creep up. You can see we're right on the trend line testing right now. Oh, that's not looking good. CNCE. EVAC's getting a little push back up so far. Need to hold above 86 here. You can see right across there where that 86 area is trying to hold us some support. If it can't hold there, that's a problem. But I may, if it does hold here, I may add. A little bit of a double bottom here. On EVAX. I'm gonna hop in there for 50 shares real quick. Save is still hanging around downtown by itself. If EVAX can break up over that resistance there, it's got room up to 1760. Oh, actually, it's not a double bottom, it's a triangle. We got a little triangle here on EVAX. I don't like that. I don't like the way that's forming on the 1 minute. So we got 4 minutes left for this 15-minute candle to close on save. As long as it can close above this line, we should rip on save on the next 15-minute candle. But it's got to hold up that area. Hold on just a second, guys. I'll be right back. Save a little crack there. May have to get out. The SPY's starting to drop. If EVAX pull back a little bit more. See, Pet's coming up to that trend line. It's another possible play. Nice little U shape. Go ahead and grab 50 of Pets. I may add, I'm gonna let that play around for a second. Alright, if Seva is going to hold up, it needs to pop back up right now. Alright, if Seva starts to push back up, should be good to go. If it starts cracking more, then I'm getting out. Oh yeah, Spy's starting to come down some. Hit a double top at 467. House plans to hike tax on riches. Rich corporations by 1.5 trillion. Phew! That's not gonna be good for. It's just not good. Let's just screw up the economy more. Why not? Oh boy. Pets is now the top gainer. Just because Seva came down some, just a little drop there. 15-minute was looking good, but it is looking quite sketchy now. This is really going to have to pull back up here in just a second. EVAX. What you going to do here, bud? My average is down a little bit. There we go. So now I'm at 16, 17. That's not terrible because we're very close to breaking out of this triangle down here. My phone's ringing, but who cares? I'll talk to whoever it is later. I don't care. I may have to get out of Seva though. Seva I'm trying to let hold up, but it's just not looking good. EVAX starting to push a little bit against that top resistance. Wait. I thought I grabbed 50 more. Did it not let me? Oh yeah, I guess it didn't. So let's see if I can go 30. Nope. Alright, how about 10 more? Nope. Alright. so somehow I maxed out my Pets with a little rejection off that downtrend. I need to put a stop loss in on Pets in case Pets cracks. What am I in? 336. Should be holding 316. See, I'm just going to put it down here. Risk about. See, I'm at 336. Oh, I'm just going to put it right here for now. Seva is still dumping a little bit. I'm close to cut my losses on this. I don't want to lose much more. This was looking good until this candle. This candle opening up down here below that little momentum of uptrend we had. Ruined it. Oh, yeah, this is cracking more. Needs to have volume decrease. We never got that buying volume in there either. Like with this little push back up right there, if we should have broke through 90, but we should have had a nice increase in volume. Instead, we didn't. We did not get it. So it's a little concerning. Now it should be pretty strong support. maybe across this candle here at 80. Ah, I see what's going on here. We got a bull flag. That's what's going on here. Got your flagpole. So that's trying to hold that 80. Should see it pop up. What am I at? I'm gonna actually see if I can add a share. I don't know if I can. Nope. Can't add a share. That's okay. So, alright, I'm not worried about that then, if it's in this triangle. Not for now. EVAC starting to pop out of its triangle. Yeah, trying to push. Yeah, here. Oh yeah, I've got the stopping pets. Okay, so I'm not worried about pets. I don't know how that happened. That's ridiculous. Okay, there we go. All right. How did I get way up here at the 26s? What are you doing, Thinkorswim? What are you doing with me this morning? Just want to see this pattern here. Up close and personal. That's all I want. There we go. Okay. We'll go ahead and extend this because that is our new triangle, or not our new triangle, but our new, what do you call that? Trend line. That's what you call that. Yeah, see, Seva pushing back up. So Seva's still alive. Just in this little, actually, well, yeah, I'm going to leave it the way it is. Just in this flag. Rebreak of 85, we should see it push up to 90 again for a possible break. SPY still dropping. If the SPY really starts dropping, it could ruin all these plays, so we do want to be aware of that. Little pullback there to the trend line. So we need a bounce right off of there pretty quickly. We don't want to test this for too long. $16 holding up past support. That's a strong sign. Yep, bouncing off of the trend line very nicely so far. save. Oh, I'm gonna take a little break here, guys. I'm gonna put a stop loss in here, a little lower than I normally would, just in case it happens to turn around and dump on me. Pull back a little bit more. Put stop loss on this one at below 1550 for now. All right, I'm gonna take a quick little breather and I'll be right back. Oh, there we go. EVX starting to pop up there. Very nice. Looks like this is going to start running, so might have pulled some profit out of my anus anyway. So we got up to 1829. Just popping back above the 10 days. I'm selling at 1750. See if they can break down or not. It's starting to stack at 1750. There we go. Come on up. Slowly pushing up to that 18 area. Let that do its thing for a minute. Seva back to 85. Just broke out of this triangle, so this may start to move again. Pets, you are down to the last bit of this trend line. I'm moving my stop loss up on this. I don't like the way this is starting to look. Real quick, let me make sure I got the right stop loss in there. Yeah. Okay. All right. All right, AVAX, just got to break over 18. We really didn't get... The crazy thing is we're not getting that much volume yet. It was 1.5 million on that 15 minute, and this is 500,000. Yeah, come on, give me a break over 18. There ain't nothing else going on, so buyers should come into this. I mean, they're coming into it slowly, but we should start to see it pop with nothing else going on. So I'm selling at 1180. Let's say 1180. I'm at 1780. There we go. Let's see this break over 18. Here we go. They're not getting taken out. That's a little concerning. All right, now they're getting taken out. Now we're good. Okay. Beautiful. Up to 1850. $18.50 gonna break down. Yes, it is. Up to 19. Are we gonna break 19? Yes, we are. Let's go. I'm gonna lock some of this out at 19. I'll take a little 10 piece off of there. Starting to break over 19. Very nice. Let me just go ahead and get ready to lock this whole thing out, because if it doesn't hold 19, it's going to come back down. Still holding. $19 still trying to hold. If it keeps holding, we're going to test 20 soon. I'm taking it. I don't care. I got 10 shares left. I took most of it. I'm going to hold this last little 10 to see if it's going to push up to 20. But this day so far, I'm not particularly liking. Although Save is still slowly climbing back up. Let's see. PTS. 310. I'm gonna move my stop loss up to, where's it at? Let's see. I'm gonna move it up to 3.7. Yeah, so EVAX pulling back there some. So actually now we've got a pretty clear trend line down. Now that connects better, so there you can see that you actually see the triangle a little bit better. There we go. Move my stop loss up to right under it. Trying to move my stop loss right up under. Come on, do it. Do the thing. Do your thing. God, come on. Stop messing with me. All right, so EVAX still trying to figure it out. I mean, we got room all the way up to 25. That's going to be really strong resistance if it can break 20. Alright, let me catch up with some of these comments in here. Ross Cameron lost 30K on Saver this morning, buying high. Sounds about right. G-Man, you had a club sandwich for lunch. So I'm happy for you. Glad you got your club in. Good morning, Lauren. That's a long name. CP3, LBJ, Mello, Dwayne, Super Team. NVIDIA going crazy. That's a lot of basketball players' names, man. Making my head hurt. All in one name. Is NVIDIA going crazy? Let's see. What is NVIDIA's damn thing? There it is. Oh, yeah, man. NVIDIA, nice move so far. Up $20, you know. That's not too bad. Oh, Save it coming back alive. Save it coming back up to that $9. Give me some more money. Give me more monies. It's all about entries, guys. It's all about your entries. Ross Cameron lost 35K on Seva. I'm up $8 on Seva. Who's the better trader? Oh, sheet. Oh, this has dropped all the way back down to this trend line here. Oh, goodness me. That 10 shares, you just lost a whole dollar. Oh, my God. We're coming way down here. I guess I might have to lock this 10 shares out. Yeah, look at that. Pulling back below the 10-day. I'm gonna give it a chance to hold 17. I'm fixing to put a stop loss right under 17 and just let it do its thing. Whatever it does the rest of the day, good on it. Boy, save it looks like it's about to explode here soon. Fat Boy Drizzy, you knew I was getting money on evacs. It's been a good week for me. You know, I've been green every day this week, so I'm pretty happy with my results this week. I think I've done pretty decently. And today's a green day. Unless something incredible happens and I lose $100, but more than likely that's not going to happen considering this is looking like it's going to break out. I probably am going to lose on pets. Pets does not look good. But it's not going to be that big of a loss. Here comes the break of 90. Yeah. Oh. It's a lot of selling at 90, but there's a good test there. So one or two more tests that should start to pop. So yeah. Oh yeah, Sava looking nasty. I'm just gonna go ahead and get out of Sava. I'm gonna save my money. Haha! So a little $15 loss on there. Wow, as soon as I got out of there too, just in time. Just in time. That was close. I mean, I had the stop loss in there anyway, but... Did I trash talk myself? I didn't even realize I trash talked myself. I don't know what I said anymore. Yeah, pet's cracking that $3 area. It's about done. EVAX, if it can't hold up here, it's about done too. They got 30 seconds on this 15-minute candle. It really needed to close above that 10-day moving average. It's gotten pushed all the way back down, so this may be done. I may have to take that 10. Just oh yeah, starting to crack 17 now. Look at ugly. Ugly, ugly, ugly. Oh, look at that. Oh, who would have thought? Who would have thought the SPY was going to start dropping? Look at this nastiness. That's a big old upside down bowl. Somebody's, woo. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see how long you can hold up now, SPY, that the damn feds are not putting billions of dollars in every month. Or they're putting a little less, I should say. Boy, Save is so close to going. Alright, so we got a little hold up there. 1675-ish. So I'm going to put a stop loss in right below that for this last 10 shares and let this bad boy just do its thing. You do you. Did I put that in the right spot? Yeah, okay. You just do your thing, my friend. Now, see if it starts pushing up on this 15-minute. We're already on a bullish engulfing candle, so it may get a nice little bounce here. Let's keep an eye on Save. Save is getting real close. I'm gonna take that stop loss out. I don't know why. I don't know what I'm doing anymore. I'm just here, just trying to get this break of 90 on Save that it's been struggling with for hours. With my 5 shares. Positive vibes. I say that to myself all the time, especially when I start getting annoyed or frustrated. I'm just like, I just say it under my breath. I'm like, positive. I actually have a song myself about positive vibes. If you guys are interested in hearing that song after hearing my beautiful singing voice yesterday, you can find that song on iTunes. No, I'm just kidding. I don't have any songs on iTunes. What? Get out of here. What are you doing? Why did you pop up? I don't want you in my eyes. Yeah, I like that. I like where that stop loss is at. I'm perfectly fine with that. So Save it getting another little rejection. But you can see how close we're getting to the tip of this triangle. Now if the SPY continues to drop, that could cause some issues in some of these plays. It did get a bounce there off of that little market open area at 465. And we're still super bullish. It has like a long ways to drop before it's even bearish. EVAX coming back up to 18. So if you caught it off this bounce here, that was just saying, nice job. You could have already got $1 in profit. Actually, a little over $1. If it breaks 18 and continues to push up, even more, which it looks like it's going to do. Yeah, there it goes, starting to break 18. Actually, the top of this trend line's a little bit, it's more like this right here. We got more peaks to connect to, kind of. EVAX still pushing. We got a real live group this morning in the chat. You guys are quiet. Because the stock market's quiet? Because it certainly is quiet. Let's see if we got anything moved up in the top gainer spots. MTN, that's getting a little pop up after having this huge gap up. Oh, they're being acquired though, so I don't know why anybody. The price target 16, so like maybe it could get to 16, but I don't see it going any more than that. Let's go ahead and move that drawing because we're just riding up this trend line right now. This thing did run to 50 in after hours yesterday, so this thing does have some crazy moves. It is only 20 million in float, so stupid low float. That's why I'm holding that last 10 shares. And just in case it starts to really go and starts to push up that 25 area, because break at 25, there's a little bit more congestion around 30, and then it's like pretty much open skies to 50. I don't know if it's going to do that today. I don't even know if that's possible today, but we will see. As long as it's slowly climbing up this trend line, that's all I care about. All right, Seva. It is time for you to do your thing. You're at the end of the triangle. You know, it's 10:38. It's getting to be lunchtime. I got food to eat. I got people to talk to. You know, I'm busy, Seva. I can't be waiting all day for you to make this breakout. Do I need a serenade to Seva? I'll serenade Seva if I have to. Seva. Alright, this little downtrend needs to break, which is basically 1850. This breaks over 1850, we're going to see it pop back up to 20. If it can't break 1850 here in the next couple of minutes, then it's going to come back down the trend line and probably crack. Sometime today, Seva. Sometime today. The SPY still testing around that 465 area. Running into resistance at 465.74 right across there in pre-market. So that may end up holding as resistance. We may see us pull back some more today. What's the market watch look like? We're mixed. Everything in the market, there's a lot of red, but you know, Amazon, Google, Microsoft, Nvidia, those guys, well, not so much Nvidia, but those other guys, they are the SPY. Let's see. Something else just popped up. NRDS on the scanner. Oh, NerdWallet. NerdWallet IPO. So get your eyeballs on NRDS as well. Yeah, a little IPO here. I'm out of funds, so there's not much I can do. But this thing, what did it do? Shoot straight up? He had IPO'd at 23.50 and shot straight to 26.68. 67 million shares, but we've seen IPOs ripping, so this could be one to keep an eye on. We'll see what it does out of that halt. But this may start taking attention away from everything else if it starts going nuts. Hold on just a second. Let's see, EVAX is back over 18, so that's looking pretty nice. Just HCDI. Look, see, this is why I didn't want to trade HCDI. Under the 200-day moving average. This is why I don't trade these stocks. Or I try not to. That's one of my rules. Because they don't break out most of the time. Bird is coming back up to its trend line. If you could hop over that, it could get going. You just had that one day of rips on these car stocks. So we'd be seeing more than that, but alright, so Seva coming down on the trend line again. There's not much time left on Seva. Let me go back into the 15 minute here. Yeah, see on that 15 minute we are in the tip. So next 6 minutes here, we're probably going to see Seva make its move one way or the other. EVAX pushing up some more. Trying to get through 1850 right now. Got all the way up to 1872. And RDS still halted. Let's see, where does this get halted at? 10:36, so I got halted 8 minutes ago, so this will be out in 2 minutes. Alright, Seva's got a hold up here. You can see it's kind of getting a little sketchy there. NRDS out of the halt, pig gap up out of that halt. Good lord. And this thing looks like it's about to blow through 30. Oh, nope, starting to struggle with 30, so it's either going to blow through here, it's going to drop back down by that 26 area. No, here comes the break of 30 right there. Well, it threw a wick up there. This is sketchy because it threw a wick. Now see it's getting pushed back down. That's sketchy. Gotta wait for that to figure out which way that's going. All right, Sava, you're running out of chances here, bud. You look like you want to go down. NRD, yeah, we're starting to crack, so yeah, I'm hopping out of here. It's really starting to crack. I'm just going to take that little $13 loss. So 13 loss on Sava, 15 loss on Pets, and then still trying to get the profits on. Now this is another example. I've took 3 trades today. I've lost 2 of them. I'm up 126 on the other one. Got my losses small on Sava and Pets. Only, $28 in losses. This one win, however, is about 4 or 5 times that. So keep your losses small. I'm 1 for 3, but I'm in the profit by $100. So you don't have to be a 75% win rate trader to make profit in the market. You can make profit being 50% or even lower. HYRE, that's trying to get back above 7. Yeah, see, now that Sava's cracked, looking bearish, starting to crack out of that triangle. It does have this 10-day here at $80, but I'm not holding from 86 down to $80. That's $6 a share to hold it down there. Even at $5, that's still, even at 5 shares, that's still $30. I ain't trying to take an extra loss on this for no reason. The pattern's cracked, so it's done. No reason to be in it anymore. Like once your pattern gives up, then you give up. There's no reason to try to hold this after the pattern has broken to the downside. Unless you just want to lose money. Which I don't think anybody does. Yeah, look at this. This is what I was saying, how choppy this is. God, this is such a sketchy play right now. This is one to keep a watch on all day, but super, super sketchy. So, I'm going to let this 10 run. I got my stop loss in. It's my only position left of the day. Another green day for me. 4 days in a row going green. So now I'm up 400-ish, I think, this week. Depending on what this does. But yeah, we'll give the stream about 10 more minutes here. If you guys have any questions, suggestions, or ideas, go ahead and get those in. I'm fixing to call it a day and get some lunch. But nice job to anybody who's able to pull some profits out of this sketchy-ass market today. I certainly wasn't expecting to pull much, but EVAC's working out really, really well. Evacs back. Oh, okay, let's see. Evacs, you about to go? You gonna give us another little test of 20? Let's see. Let's watch it close here for his last 10 minutes. Because it's a creeping back up to that 20 area. And I want to see, because 25 looks like the main resistance. 20 doesn't look like that big of a deal, but 20 is always a big deal. Is always somewhat of a deal, or well, 20 usually is a big deal. So I don't know if that's gonna be the case this time or not. Right through 1950. Boy, we're going right up to 20. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that crack. As soon as the triangle cracks, you don't hang around. Because if you hang around when the triangle cracks, like I said about trend lines, these piranhas are waiting for this triangle to crack. These piranhas will come in and tear you limb from limb. So 20 is going to hold us some strong resistance. Because we're fumbling around at 1950. That's acting as some resistance. So this may pull back to the, there it goes, starting to pull back again to the trend line. So this is still gonna need some time. As long as it's going up that trend line though, it's all good. This trend line here is all we gotta worry about. We did, oh no, we didn't quite hit 20 on that push up. So we're just consolidating a little bit more. On this 15-minute chart, we got 6 minutes for this 15-minute candle to close. We really want to see this 15-minute candle close over the tip of this one, which is that 1950 area, over that little wick. So we got a lot of time here. It's already coming back up to 1950. All these people are calling me this morning. I'm trading. Leave me alone. 17 people in here and only 7 like button smashes. I'm offended. How dare you guys? Alright. Alright, Evacs. Let's go ahead and see that 20. You look like you want it. RDS still hanging around that 30 area. That's Bird, although Bird is trying to test that downtrend. Yeah, so he's still hanging around that little area right above 30. Move my stop loss up a little bit. There we go. Still got pretty decent volume on this. So we're going to give 1950 a little test here. We're going to Break right through it apparently, no problem. So here we go. We're about to see 20. Selling at 1975. Don't really want 1975 to hold up very long. You really want to see that get taken out quick. I want to see this testing at 20. Taking its time for this build up. NRDS Nerd Wallet just spiked up to 33 and got halted. So if you did get in this consolidation, nice job if you had the testiculars to do it. Because I don't think I would have. Alright, so this thing is just taking its time. We got 2 minutes on that 15-minute candle to close over 1950. Well, on the 1 minute here, we're getting kind of a decent little build up, right below 20. But if it doesn't break 20 here soon, or at least test 20 soon, it'll come back down to the trend line and then have to bounce again. Cracking 19 a little bit. Yeah, save it cracking that $80. Yep, there's the pullback to the trend line. Or pull back close to the trend line. Boy, Sam doesn't like something outside. Both dogs are barking. Oh, just a second. They went absolutely crazy. I entered. Hold on a second. I entered right here 50 shares at 60 or 16.17. So basically on this 15-minute candle here, that's what I was looking for to hold up. I think that was where it was at. Let's see. When I get in 9:45. Yeah, it was on that 15-minute candle there. No problem, Lori. Oh yeah, I think I'm gonna call it a day. This guy's just slowly climbing, so I'm gonna just let it continue to do its thing and let last 10 shares. See if it gets that break over 20. NRDS looks like it's gonna be a halt fest, so if you are gonna look to play that, be careful with it. Don't want to get smashed. Seva is bouncing off of the 10-day. If it can hold ADS support, that could turn around. SPY having a little push back up again. But look at this volatility on the SPY. Basically going sideways though. Between 465 and 467. And then other than that, I don't see much really else going on for today. So we'll be back tomorrow for some Friday trading. And if you like the cryptos, I will be back later today on the crypto channel for some crypto trading and the crypto update around 4 p.m. Central. If you haven't yet, go sign up. FrameworkFortune.com. Lauren's already got it. She's got it right there. It's free, no paywalls. You can get in contact with me directly on there by messaging me on my profile. You can set your own profile up. You can share to social media, different posts, all that stuff. Got all kinds of content going in there. We've been working on it all week. Really getting that site packed up. So, give signals on big stocks. I don't give signals really on anything. I am not a signal person. I did not tell you what to buy or sell. I am here for you to learn from my mistakes and my successes, my experience, so you can make your own decisions. Because if you need somebody else to tell you the stocks to trade, then that's not good. you're gonna end up following somebody like Wall Street Bets or something on AMC, where you buy at the top and you get dumped on. You want to be able to do your own research. Use scanners. We have all these scanners. This one right here I need to put up. I haven't put up yet. This all price ripper here. But yeah, that's all up on the website. We're not about telling you what to buy or sell here. We do not do that. What we do is try to build and grow as a community of traders and better each other. So, on that note, appreciate everybody joining me as always. Stay safe out there. Until next time.